Glow up for summer. How to change your appearance for summer. Welcome back to my channel Glow Up Guide. Today, we're diving into 10 glow up tips you need this summer to feel confident, refreshed, and absolutely glowing. Imagine having that perfect summer glow where everyone's jealous of your skin style, and confidence. What if I told you that this summer you can be that person? These tips are super easy, affordable, and perfect for any age, especially if you're a student on summer break. Let's glow up together. Skincare tips. Skincare tips during summer. Our skin can get oily easily. Even if you have dry skin, you can still get sweaty. So, it is very easy for acne to develop. So, try to use lightweight skincare products. Avoid heavy creams and ointments. Summer means more sun, sweat, and skincare struggles. Here's your basic glow up routine. It's generally recommended to cleanse your face twice a day, especially in the summer, to remove dirt, sweat, and impurities. This helps to keep your skin clean and prevent breakouts. A lightweight moisturizer is designed to provide hydration without leaving a greasy or heavy feeling on the skin. It's often a good choice for oily or combination skin, as well as during warmer months or when you're layering products like makeup. Wearing sunscreen every day, even when you're indoors, is a good idea for protecting your skin from UV damage and promoting overall skin health. While you might not be directly exposed to the sun indoors, UV rays can still penetrate glass and be emitted from electronic devices, impacting your skin. DIY face masks offer a natural and customizable approach to skincare. They can be tailored to address specific skin concerns and provide a relaxing spa-like experience. Some popular DIY face masks include those made with ingredients like yogurt, honey, lemon, avocado, and aloe vera, which can hydrate, brighten, and soothe the skin. Number 2, hair care tips. Summer hair equals frizz, sun damage, and bad hair days. Let's fix that. Trim your split ends. Use sharp hair scissors, twist sections of hair, and snip off the split ends at a 90-degree angle. This process helps to prevent further damage and breakage, maintaining healthy and strong hair. Try a cute new style: layers, bangs, or heatless curls. Coconut oil. Using coconut oil overnight can indeed contribute to shinier, softer hair. Applying coconut oil to hair before bed and leaving it on overnight allows the oil to penetrate the hair shaft and deeply moisturize, reducing frizz and promoting a healthier, more radiant appearance. Avoid heat. Summer offers a unique opportunity to enjoy outdoor activities and embrace natural beauty while avoiding the heat through mindful planning and choices. Focus on activities that minimize exposure to the sun's peak hours, stay hydrated, and utilize shade and protective clothing. Style glow up. Build a simple summer wardrobe: cute tops, light jeans, flowy skirts. Add accessories: sunglasses, claw clips, cute tote bags. Body and hygiene glow up. Drink 8+ glasses of water daily. Shower daily, plus use a gentle body scrub 2 times a week. Shower daily, plus use a gentle body scrub 2 times a week. Use deodorant plus light body mist. Care for your feet, scrub, moisturize, cute nails. That's your 2025 Summer Glow Up Guide. Remember, glowing up is not about changing who you are, but becoming the best version of you. You deserve to feel confident, beautiful, and loved. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these summer glow up tips super helpful. Comment below which tip you're trying first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your besties. Stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one.